not only do I talk a lot, I like to eat. So I needed the best, as you see it now. I came here to Austin Dental because I had a broken tooth. I've had bad teeth my whole life. They started, especially after my children were born. I had major cavities and started losing teeth from the back forward. I was in pain every day. My lower teeth in front were so bad, and I would drop my head and talk to people like this. And as a stage manager, you want to be able to get somebody's face.
Lynn came in to see us a few years back, and she had a lot of problems with dental work over the years, and things were just going downhill for her. She wanted to have a great smile because she's in front of people a lot, and she likes to talk. We end up at the point of restoring her with upper and lower dentures so she can smile as much as she wants to and be in front of people like she likes to do.
They led me through the process. Every stage of the way, I was made to feel absolutely comfortable. I was just impressed. And when I'm not working as stage manager, I'm a critic for Broadway World. So I have to smile and glad hand a little bit here and there. And they give me confidence to be able to do that. I have had a lot of compliments. And being able to smile at people without thinking that I have to keep my mouth closed. Every bit of it is worth it. Every penny, totally and completely worth it.